If you want to start web development, the first and most important step is setting up the *right environment. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a complete web development environment from scratch step by step. This video is beginner friendly, and we will keep everything simple. To start web development, we only need three things: a code editor, a web browser, a basic project structure. That's it. First, we need a code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. It's free, lightweight, and widely used by developers. Double-click on downloaded file and simple install. Now install two useful extensions. One live server helps us run projects in the browser. Two prettier keeps our code clean and readable. Now let's create a simple web project. Every basic web project starts with these files. This is a simple HTML structure. Nothing complex. Basic CSS, just for testing. This error is completely normal. A developer's job is to read errors and fix them. The error is fixed. This means our environment is working correctly. If you can, write code. Run it in the browser. Understand and fix errors. Then your web development environment is ready. In the next video, we'll start web development step by step. Thanks for watching.